What's up, everyone? It's your girl Jay Riggs, and welcome back to my channel. This is my daughter Aubrey. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is Mason, my son. Okay. And right now we're gonna do an unboxing. I just got my box in the mail of NatureBox, and we're gonna be tasting them.
Yay!
Okay, so I'm opening the box. I have a HelloFresh $50 off your first 2 boxes, and then I have my gift code. I am not going to show you my gift code. I'm trying to set my code, y'all. $50 off. Yes. For HelloFresh. So it's kind of dope. And then, okay, so I have Granny Smith apples, Big Island pineapples, 2 light popcorns, because I need to eat better popcorn. I don't even like popcorn like that. 2 strawberry lemonade fruit stars. 1 strawberry lemonade fruit star. Mason, stop before you fall.
Okay.
1 vanilla bean wafer. 1 sweet blueberry almond. 1 mini cocoa Belgian waffles. And 1 sour cream onion and straws. Sour cream and onion straws. Okay, so the first thing we're going to try is the strawberry lemonade fruit stars.
They're so good.
Yes, let's see.
Let's see if it tastes nasty. Give it a thumbs up if you like this candy. Video, something like that.
Okay, so we're going to all try, we're all going to try it at the same time, okay? Here's yours. Here's yours. Put it in your mouth.
I've never mind.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good. Extra flavor in it. Extra flavor.
Extra flavoring. Those are pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we're going to do the sweet blueberry almonds.
Whoa. Ooh, let's go to taste them. Ooh, it's yummy. But it says yummy. If it tastes nasty, we're going to give it thumbs down, okay? Okay.
And this is not sponsored. I am doing this 100% on my own, so. All right, sorry, taste.
Good.
Those are really good.
Mm-hmm.
She's the picky one, so she's probably not gonna like some of the stuff, but sweet blueberry almonds
Good.
are pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, next is the mini cocoa Belgian waffles.
Wow, that's tasty. Wait, I'm not done chewing.
Oh, excuse me. And the main reason why I got this stuff is because I work at a desk, so it's kind of hard to have snacks on hand. Hello, one hand.
Hello, one hand. Hello, one
And I need
hand.
to eat more healthy, so.
Yeah. Give it thumbs up, Mom.
Give it a thumbs up. I did give it a thumbs up, baby. Okay, so these are the cocoa Belgian waffles. These are really cute.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Mm.
Done? Uh-oh, you okay? It's okay. We'll clean up the rest. Come on, we gotta go to the next one. Wow. Vanilla bean wafers. I love vanilla wafers anyway, so. Chew that, mama. I had to pop my tongue out, get away. Chew it up. Stop, that's nasty, don't do that. Here's one for you.
Thanks.
You take so long. One for you. One for me?
Don't eat it yet.
You gotta hurry up.
Put it up, the bug.
Hey, that's not nice.
Man. Have a video.
Yeah. Ready? Okay. Those are really good. They're really light and really fluffy. Man, let's try
Popcorn.
the light popcorn.
Ew.
It says extra virgin olive oil and sea salt.
I'm gonna go like that one.
You may, picky girl. Here you go. One for you. One for you. And one for me.
Let's eat.
Let's go.
Yum!
Those are good. Then we have the sour cream and onion straws.
Oh no. Hey, are we gonna eat that
I feel like the package, like things like this, it should be like a resealed package.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Cause I take it for Annie.
cause I'm trying to open it and I'm struggling.
I'll open it. Take a straight.
Only because the straws like literally come to the top of the bag. Like it's not like regular chips or whatever.
It looks like chips. Let me touch it all in our mouth when we done.
Yep. Cheers. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can see myself smashing those at work.
Yeah.
Like I said, I got 2 light popcorn.
No.
Why? I don't know. I don't even like popcorn like that. I think I was trying to get to a certain amount so I can get free shipping. Free shipping. Okay.
No.
Gabe and Babe highly requested these. Not requested them, but recommended them. The Big Island pineapple.
Yeah.
So we're going to rip a piece. We're going to share one piece because they smell really good. Smell out the bag instead of the one we're going to eat.
Good.
They smell
Pineapple.
really, really good. And I love pineapple. So.
Me too.
And so do my kids.
Me too. Don't say that. Let's see. Wait.
What do you want to chew it?
Can't bite it.
Oh my gosh. Give it here. Give it here. Put your teeth on it. Bite. I'll eat this.
Hey.
Because it's good.
Got one more. And that's it. That's the last one.
That. Granny Smith apples. Because growing up, my mom used to eat Granny Smith apples. You know, black people, they always gotta do extra. Put salt on the apples. Really. But it's good.
Yeah.
So you get you a Granny Smith apple.
Granny Smith.
And you get you a Granny Smith apple.
Woo.
And then I'll get me one.
It don't taste like no Granny Smith apple. I can't even bite this.
Girl, you get an extra.
Good. This is not no Granny Smith apple.
See what I mean? This is what I'm talking about. Bite. Spit it out.
I would eat it.
She's so picky. No, not out her mouth. So, I loved all of these. Did you like them?
Yeah.
Did you like all of them besides the apples? Anyways, if you like this video,
Give it a thumbs up.
don't forget to
Subscribe.
love you guys.
Love
Bye.